Hello, I'm meteorologist Jordan Scheifler. Latest temperatures here in Ohio, all in the mid to upper 80s today. Wind speeds all coming down from the south, with that bringing in Gulf of Mexico moisture, which is making it feel pretty humid here today, with dew points here in Ohio at 64 degrees and just increasing as you go further north. How things are trending into late week, temperatures going to stay pretty consistent with humidity on the uptrend, as long with the rain and storm threat thanks to the added moisture from the south. If we look at current radar, we can see that we have a cold front to the north of us, and as we expand out, we can see the low pressure system that we're tracking out to the west of us, out in Iowa, with over there bringing rounds of severe weather. And speaking of severe weather, for us, we're not going to see much, maybe up to the north with possible severe weather, but most of the severe weather is going to stay out to the west of us as we head into late afternoon. As we look at the evening planner today down here in central and southeast Ohio, it's going to be pretty dry with temperatures in the upper 80s by 6 o'clock, but that's going to drop down into the 70s by late evening at 10 o'clock with some clouds in the area as well. If you look at Futurecast radars, like I said, not much in terms of rain for tonight here in central and southeast Ohio, but most of the rain is going to stay up to the north of us. You might see some rain showers up here in Marion, but nothing much. But as we head into Thursday morning, that's when the story changes. We're going to see some potentially local downpours down here to the south, here in Lancaster or Columbus, and that's going to be the same story, but I'll get there in a moment. Lows tomorrow, 69 down here in Columbus, Zanesville 68 degrees, and Jackson at 67. Continuing on with the Futurecast radar, it's going to be the same story throughout the day, with local downpours throughout the state and some of them being severe as well. But by Friday morning, that should all clear out, and it's going to be pretty cloudy in the morning, but that should clear out as well as we head into Friday afternoon. Might see some rain showers, but nothing too much. Might just be isolated. Highs tomorrow, 85 here in Columbus, 84 here in Zanesville, and down in Jackson, 80 degrees. Tonight's forecast, it's going to be 69 degrees, but we're also going to see some variable clouds, and it's also going to be pretty muggy out thanks to the southerly winds at around 5 to 15 miles an hour. Tomorrow, it's going to be 85, but thanks to the humidity from the south, it's going to be feeling more like 94 degrees. And we're going to see some storms developing, and some of these will be severe. As we head into tomorrow for southeasternly Ohio, we can see that it's going to be on the low to upper 80s tomorrow, with the storm chances being consistent throughout all of southeast Ohio. 3-day forecast here in central Ohio, we can see that it's going to be staying pretty consistent with temperature-wise, staying all in the upper 80s, with lows staying in the high 60s. For Thursday and Saturday is going to be your best chances to see some storms, and especially over here in Zanesville. Tomorrow you might see some pretty strong storms. And Friday, you're not really looking at much of anything. We can see that by the 5-day rain chances, with Thursday and Saturday seeing the most likely chances of severe weather, and Friday and Sunday seeing a stray shower or two. And then Monday we'll see a few showers as well. And I'll have the rest of your forecast in the next 10 minutes.